How to boost your online sales with simple triggers. The story of Domino's Oregano packets. We all open our refrigerators tens of times in a day, and the first thing that catches our eye are those familiar red and white packets of Domino's Oregano. But have you ever wondered why they send these extra packets? Let's take a journey through time and see how Domino's has become the king of pizza delivery in India. It all started back in 1960s when Domino's introduced the concept of 30 minutes or free pizza delivery. Fast forward 60 years and Domino's now owns a whopping 70% of the pizza delivery market in India. Experts estimate that the lifetime value of loyal Domino's pizza customer is $4,000. That's crazy, right? So how did they get here? Domino's relies on a simple strategy based on triggers. It starts with a marketing hook, delivery in 30 minutes or free. This allows a potential customer to place an order with a slight hope that they might get it for free. It solves for standardization. Eat from any Domino's franchisee store and you'll always have the exact same taste for every type of pizza. This creates a pattern of taste recognition in customers' mind, similar to how Coke or Pepsi would do. And finally, it leaves its mark with every home delivery of pizza. Domino's sends these extra chili flakes and oregano packets, and most customers store them in their refrigerator for future use. And this is where it gets interesting. Every time you open your refrigerator, you see these Domino's oregano packets, and it reminds you of the pizza and its consistent experience. Voila! You start associating opening of the fridge to pizza, and the job is done. Ask your friends how many of them placed another pizza order just to finish off these oregano packets, and how many of them use these packets in homemade Maggi. But why am I talking about oregano today? Domino's wanted to solve for repeat purchase behavior. Without spending bonkers money on marketing, all they did was plant a trigger of these extra packets so that the customer is reminded of the next purchase subconsciously hundreds of times before the actual purchase. So think about the oreganos that you can plant in for your product's repeat purchase. How every purchase leaves a reminder trigger for the next one. And that's how you'll be able to build a large repeat purchase business. And that's the story of how Domino's became the king of pizza delivery globally.
I hope you're enjoying our videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified each time we release a new video. Thank you and keep watching.